Welcome to this course, Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamental AZ900. I welcome you on the behalf of Cybrainium, and let's discuss the course outline which we are going to learn in this whole course. So there are basically 12 modules which we have mentioned in AZ900, from cloud computing to how to clear this exam, the summary and question answer, the quizzes, each and everything you will get to know in this whole course. So just check it from the first module, the cloud computing. So in this module, you will learn about Microsoft Azure fundamentals, cloud computing, shared responsibility model, defined cloud models. In module second, cloud service types like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, what are these and what is the difference between all these three? Core architectural components of Azure comes in the module 3, where you will learn that how you can create your Azure account freely, and we will give you the tour guide which you can explore in Azure. Physical infrastructure, management infrastructure, and the lab, the exercise related to create an Azure resource, which we will be showing you. Module 4, having Azure Compute and Networking Services, where we'll show you Azure virtual machines, the exercises that how you can create a virtual machine, what is virtual desktop, containers, virtual networking, and then again an exercise that how you can configure network access. And the main important thing is that what is Azure Virtual Private Networks and Azure DNS. Module 5 consists Azure Storage Services, where you will get to know about the blob storage, the storage accounts, the storage services. In Module 6, Azure Identity, Access and Security, which is very important part of this whole course, that is Azure Directory Services, the authentication methods, the conditional accesses, the RBAC, role-based access control, zero trust model, defense in depth, Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Module 7, Cost Management in Azure, factors that it can affect cost in Azure, compare the pricing and total cost of ownership calculators. The first lab is pricing calculator, the second lab is TCO calculator. And then we'll discuss the Microsoft cost management tool and the purpose of tags basically. Features and tools in Azure for governance and compliance. In this, we'll discuss about the purpose of Microsoft Purview, the Azure policy, the resource logs, and I'll show you how you can configure a resource log. And at the last, the purpose of the Service Trust portal. In Module 9, we will learn about the tools for interacting with Azure, the purpose of Azure Arc, the Azure Resource Manager, and Azure ARM templates. Module 10 consists monitoring tools in Azure. So we will introduce you the Azure Advisor, Azure Service Health, Azure Monitor. And at the last, the module 11, which is a hands-on lab, and we will show you the step-by-step, each step basically to create and manage the VM, the virtual network gateway, and how you can implement the storage solution and other parts of things. And at the last, that how you can prepare for the AZ900 exam. So in this, we will provide you some study resources like Microsoft Learn documentation and practices sets, the exam objectives, and will share you the tips for success, that how you can crack your AZ900 exam. And at the last, summary and question answers and the bonus lecture. In the bonus lecture, there are a lot of other courses which is related to Cybrainium, so you can go through that. Many of them are free, so you can take it. So let's start this course, and we'll meet you in the next video.